got it.
Okay, so now I completed my laps in the Ferrari, and now we're going to see how it's really done with Mark, a professional driver who's going to do some drifting with me in the car, which should be fun.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go. And to the drifting, we're in a Hellcat?
It's a Hellcat.
Hellcat.
Yep. There it goes. How was that?
That was crazy.
Pretty good for a big heavy car.
So that was scary crazy. I'm always shocked at how good professionals are on these tracks and what they can do. That was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
We put a lot of the SRT.
There we go.